Hello and welcome to another edition of Sparky Help. This time, how to install an override switch when you have a photocell circuit. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. So here we have a photocell with a time clock through a contactor. Could be any of these things. So mainly obviously the time clock and or photocell or PIR or anything else that you may have in circuit. How do we go about doing that? So it's just about recognising where a switch goes in. And the switch we're going to put in is just a normal one-way switch, on or off. So we're going to get a switch, the one-way switch, position it wherever you want it to go, mark it up override, and what it needs is a permanent line which will bypass the switch, so we're going to come off of that location there. And the output side will go to the switch line which goes to the contactor A1 or the load in this case. So with the switch open and the time clock off and it being sunny, obviously nothing will happen. You want to test to see whether the circuit works, so you've got to bypass the time clock and the photocell. I know you could put a glove or something over the photocell, put the time clock to be on to manual, but we could just put this switch in this position. And when you switch it, the contactor will close, irrespective of what the time clock or photocell will do. And we can turn it on and off. All you've got to remember is make sure you turn it off, otherwise your lights will be consistently on. So that's in that particular one. What about the other variations? So we have a series of videos based on all these, how they get wired up. And there we've got the same circuit rather than a separate circuit. So again, we need a one-way switch. We need a permanent line, so we're going to take the feed which goes to the time clock, and then the output of the switch will go to A1 of the contactor. So we connect it in there, and we connect it in there. Remember, this is a circuit diagram. And then when you operate the switch, irrespective of what the time clock or whether it's sunny, it will come on. All you got again, must remember to turn it off. So that's nice and simple, how to put an override into a time clock or photocell circuit. This is Sparky Help. Please like, share and subscribe.